what about your instructional design has changed through the years in writing or in classroom or online?
My job is to hook the attention of the students and deliver information that they need to be able to be successful at the course. The only way they can do that is to get their hands dirty. If I just stand up in the front of the room and lecture, it's going to be a great lecture. I mean, you're going to have a great time. But at the end of it, you're going to say, boy, he knows a lot, which to me is a failure. If at the end of this, you were attending my class, Misha, and at the end of the class, you say, boy, Larry knows a lot, then, okay, great. My ego is feeling just great. But as a student, you've wasted your time. What I want you to do instead is walk out of that class and say, wow, that is so cool. I can do something I've never been able to do before. That is a success. Because the first simply makes me feel good. The second enables you to do something you could never do before. So therefore, all of my teaching is based upon what can I do to make you successful? What can I do to get you excited? What can I do to get you wanting to learn more? What can I do to get you wanting to come back to class 5 minutes early so you can start working on the next project? That's project-oriented, that's performance teaching, that's setting clear goals, that's explaining the fundamentals. It's everything we've been talking about. But the focus is not on me. The focus is on getting the students engaged. And I have no idea how instructional design fits into that.